Are you having trouble with the IELTS writing section? Well, I'm here to help. In this interview, I will ask an IELTS examiner with over 10 years of experience who has marked thousands of essays on how to get those high band scores. To watch the full interview, click the bubble at the top of the screen, or tune in to our YouTube channel each week for a new episode. Now watch and learn. Now, for some of our viewers who are a little bit newer to the IELTS exam, could you just tell them what those 4 different categories are specifically that the IELTS examiners are looking for?
Sure. There's task achievement, which is how well do you answer the question and how well do you follow the prompt and did you answer everything, as you just mentioned. There's coherence and cohesion, which is, again, it's related to task achievement, but it's did you follow your thesis throughout? Did you connect your ideas? Did you use referencing, kind of connecting one idea back, which is a sign of a good writer? And then the more straightforward ones, as I alluded to earlier, is the lexical range and accuracy, which is commonly known as vocabulary, and then the grammatical range and accuracy, which is again quite straightforward. But it's the task achievement and the coherence and cohesion that's a little bit unclear in my experience for candidates. They think grammar is more important, when in actuality, having ideas to answer the topic actually is the most important thing.
Okay, thank you for clearing that up. For many more great IELTS lesson videos with tips and strategies, including original exams, a fully interactive course, and an app for your mobile, check out gieltshelp.com. Begin improving your band scores today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video? Click right up here. And join our premium package. Click on our hero to practice your speaking, get videos, exams, and an interactive course.